Guys, you see this? The snowstorm in America right now. Like every time it comes, it is always Sunday. It starts always Sunday, midnight. Same fucking time, same fucking day. This is not even funny. And if it's snow on the same day again and again and again, it's not a, I don't think it's coincidence. Because if you think about it, you know, this is what governments do. When people try to rise up and when there is too much thing going on, right? This is not good. This is how the world tried to make you tired, distracted, and prevent people to stick together and rise up. This is how I feel.